Alright, Michael, let's look at this problem together here, and I'll show you where I think you might be missing this step. But anyway, I'm going to start from the top just to make sure you are clear with this. I think you are. But we set the original formula equal to 2 million to find the points where it's equal to 2 million. And we'll go from there, and I think you're good with this part, but we're left with negative 5p squared plus 10,000p minus 2 million. Alright, and then we factor out a negative 5, and we get p squared minus 2,000p plus 400,000 equals 0. And when you divide by the negative 5 on this side and then divide by negative 5 over here, the negative 5 just is kind of a moot point. It's nothing that's even involved. So we're left with p squared minus 2,000p plus 400,000. So we're going to do quadratic formula on that. So we start out with negative b. Alright, so negative, and then b is negative 2,000, so make sure you got your double negatives. It's a common mistake. People forget that when b is negative that you got to do essentially a plus for that first term. And then we're going to do 2,000 squared minus 4 times 1, a is 1 in front of the p squared, and then 400,000. Alright, and then we divide all of that by 2 times a, which is 1. Alright, so we're going to come over here and we're going to write 2,000 plus or minus the square root of, alright, 2,000 squared is going to be a 4 with 6 zeros. Alright, 4 million minus, and then 4 times 4 is 16, and we've got 5 zeros there, and then we divide all that by 2. Alright, so now we take this, which is 4 million minus 1.6 million, and we're left with 2,000 plus or minus the square root of 24000000, and we divide all that by 2. So now we need to get our calculator out and find out what the square root of 2.4 million is. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we've got 2.4 million there, and now I'm going to hit the square root. And so we get this number 1549.19. So we'll just keep it at that, 1549.19. And then we'll do the subtraction. So we're going to do from this point, we'll come over here, and so our answer is going to be 2,000 plus or minus, and let me pull up my calculator again, what was it? 1549.19 divided by 2. Alright, so we're going to add that together, so we get 3549.19 divided by 2. Alright, let's see what the calculator says for that. Alright, so when I divide that, I get 1774.595. And that rounds up to, in dollars and cents, 1774.60. Now the other one's going to be 2,000 minus 1,549.19, so that's going to be 451.81 divided by 2. Alright, let's see what that is on the calculator. Alright, I had a little mistake there. This is actually 450.81. Divide that by 2, and I got 225.405, which would round up to 225.41. Sometimes MyMathLab is going to be tolerant on that and let you say 225.41 is okay. Probably my mistake was I should have probably taken one more decimal place, because I see over here the answers are 225.40 and 1774.60. So maybe instead of 1549.19 I should have added that 3 on there. Alright. But anyway, that's how you do it, and if you try that and you still get stuck, just let me know.